Hey y'all, today I'm going to be doing a break-in oil change on my 6500 Predator. So I'm not sure about you guys, but I was hit by the hurricane and I've been out of power and it's time to change the break-in oil. So this is where your oil goes in. Unscrew this and change your oil, or there's one on the other side. You can also get to it right there. So I'm using a 12-inch socket, you guys. So once it unlocks, you'll definitely know, that's for sure. And then just unscrew this and let it drain. All right, so I just gave mine a little tilt at the end just to see if there was any excess in there. Alrighty, so now let's start putting this back together. And make sure you get it on there really tight. I'm going to be using some 10W30. And let's slowly start adding it in. It's going to take about a whole quart. It says a little more, but this thing fills up at about a quart. See what I mean? That's one whole quart. And guys, don't forget to add your gas stimulator also. That's very important, especially if it's going to be sitting for a while. Alright, so once you do your oil change, and then also add the gas stimulator, because I'm going to get that over with now, let's go ahead and start this baby up and let it run for a bit. And there you have it, the oil change on the 6500 Predator.